What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the Lews. I am on my kayak this time. Hopefully we can catch some guys. There is a rainbow. Hopefully that makes the fishing better. I have no idea. It is currently 7:38 in the morning, so I did come in the morning. I haven't fished a while in the morning, so we'll see if we can make something happen, guys. Let's get to it. All right, everybody, so I've made it to the first spot of the day. I'm going to be fishing these coves as I always do, but I'm going to be starting off with this black and like light blue, I guess you could say, June bug culprit worm. I used to use these a ton back then, and I would always catch fish on them. I ran out of the other Cincos, guys. I went through like 3 packs. Like, these fish love those Cincos, guys. The one that look kind of like bluegill color. So I'm going to be starting off with this black and blue worm, I guess you could say, or June bug as they call it, and see if we can catch any fish, guys. I'll start off right here. Once these waves pass from a boat that passed by, I'll start fishing and see if we can catch any. Let's get to it. Hopefully I can catch a fish on this worm. I haven't used this worm in probably about 1.5 years or so. I have no idea when was the last time I used this worm, to be honest with you. So I don't know if these fish are gonna like it or not, but it is a pretty decent color, pretty good presentation, not gonna lie. But like I said, I don't have any more of the other Cincos, so this is gonna have to do with today. I'm gonna fish these coves and then I'll head over to the docks and see if we can land any. Hopefully we land a big one today, not sure. I just want to at least figure out these fish and see what they're eating. All right, everybody, so I basically went through that whole cove without getting a single bite, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and switch up to a bandito bug because this doesn't seem to be working out. I haven't even gotten a single bite. I think I'm going to be using, I don't know if it's Alabama craw or something like that. I'm not too sure. I mixed up my bandito bugs, but I'll go ahead and try it out. It has like this orangish color. I have no idea, but I've gotten fish on it. Not too bad of a bait. So I'm gonna be trying that out. Hopefully I get some bites and hopefully we can land some fish today. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. No, he came off. I am very salty. I am very salty right now. I have been fishing for like an hour and I knew that was a fish. I just wanted to make sure he would take it, and that was stupid of me. I always make that mistake. It might be a struggle today, so I don't know. I'm actually very salty about that one. Ooh, was that a bite? There we go, guys. First fish of the day. Come on. I need to land this guy. Not a giant, but I do not care. I will take him. I will take him. Get the net, get the net. Get in the net, buddy. Barely hooked. Yes, we landed him, guys. If I wouldn't have netted this fish, he would have gotten off. Not a bad fish. I don't care. It's not huge. Caught the first fish of the day. Hopefully we can catch another one, guys. I still have to fish the docks. I have one more area. Go ahead and let this fish go. Not a giant, guys. I do not care. Keep fishing, see if we can land another one, hopefully bigger. I know that might be asking for too much, but guys, I want to land some fish today. So theoretically there should be, or I should catch 1 fish here. Usually I catch about 2 fish here when I'm bank fishing, so I don't know. I'm not too sure if I'm going to be able to make it happen. The bite is pretty off today. I have no idea. That 1 fish that I caught was very hard to catch. Oh, I have a fish on, guys. There we go. Second fish of the day. That did not take too long, and he came off, of course. That felt like a decent one. That felt like a good one, not gonna lie. That felt like a 2 or 3 pounder. Keep fishing, won't think about it. I don't care. I don't care. I do care, but I don't care. There we go, guys. Second fish of the day. Come on, I need to land this guy. Not a giant, but he's fighting so hard. Get in the net. There we go, guys. Second fish of the day. Not as big as the last one. I mean, not as small as the last one. Just a little bit bigger. Not giant, but hey, I'll take it, guys. Man, I lost that 1 fish over there at the end of the dock, and I was pretty salty about that one. But managed to land another one, guys. Not bad. Second fish of the day. Another small fish. Not a bad fish, though. Go ahead and let this fish go. He's getting pretty antsy. There he goes. Fought very hard. Keep fishing in this area, see if I can catch another one. I doubt it, but I'll give it a shot either way, guys. Let's get to it. Ooh, right here, guys, right here, right here. Right in front of me. Really, dude? Really? Guys, I think I have a fish on. There you go, guys. Third fish of the day. Come on. Come on. Yes, buddy. Get over here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get in the net. There we go, guys. Third fish of the day. Biggest one of the day. Oh my god. I didn't think I was going to catch anything in this spot. Third fish of the day. Not a giant, very skinny, almost as skinny as the skinniest fish I've caught. His tail's bloody. I have no idea why. His lips are very red, and that's because they eat a lot of crabs. Not a bad fish, guys. Third fish of the day, probably the last fish of the day. Go ahead and let this fish go. Fought very hard. There he goes, jumped just like the last one. Oh, guys, not bad. All right, everybody, that's going to officially end today's video. Not a bad day at all. I caught 3 fish in total. Pretty good day. It was a struggle to catch those 3 fish, but I managed to make it happen. They weren't the biggest. Hopefully next time we can catch more fish and bigger fish, but we'll see. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like on this video, comment, and subscribe for future content just like this. I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.